Hello everyone, I'd like to show you today what I harvested from my garden. We got couple beets, some cherry tomatoes, peppers, yummy peppers, some green onions, one cute little bell pepper, and 2 jalapenos, and world biggest butternut squash. Yep, that's all we got for this year for the butternut squash. And this is my first year planting eggplants and finally worked. Yay! This is the cute little eggplants. Squash are coming. The green squash couples are coming. We'll see. And that was it. This is all I picked today from my garden. Yay! Now I have to wash all of them. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy.